Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be learning Christmas Time Is Here, which is a classic track from the Charlie Brown Christmas. That soundtrack was put together by Vince Guaraldi. You can't even think about the words Christmas and piano without thinking of Vince Guaraldi. So we're going to dive right into it. This track is in the key of F, and it starts on a pedal tone. So basically, an F major 9 over a pedal tone C. So pedaling on the 5 like we always do in jazz. The next chord here is a big dominant, so this is where the pedal tone actually is the proper bass note for this dominant. So it's a dominant flat 9, C13 flat 9. Back to the F major 7 over the C. And we have that beautiful F major 7 chord. To this kind of crunchy E flat 13, sharp 11. And it just kind of goes between those two. The melody is going between the 7 and 5, and then to the sharp 11. Now here's where we start doing the turnaround. 4, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Pretty classic turnaround in jazz. So that's kind of the big turnaround. This is a little bit different though, because in this track, instead of doing the normal turnaround 7 or 4, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, we're doing tritone substitutions, but not exactly. This is what a normal tritone substitution on this turnaround would look like. But we're not doing those dominants in between. Instead of doing the dominants, we're just going to sidestep the minor 7 chords. So we'll add the melody. And with a lot of the Vince Guaraldi, Peanuts, Charlie Brown Christmas tracks, there's a lot of the flat 9, a lot of the 13 flat 9 dominant chords in the key of F. That chord right there. It happens a lot coming around, so you'll notice it after the turnaround. Except this time it's not a 13, it's 11. Still has the flat 9 in there though. And then we just repeat it again. Then we get to the B section. That was AA, now we're going to B. Key change. Same kind of theme, only now we're going D flat major 7 to G flat sharp 11. Dominant 7 sharp 11. Let's break that down a little bit. Starts by going between those two notes, or those two chords. Now we're coming around to the original key of F again. Tritone sub. So it's essentially a 5 of the next chord. So instead of just going 3, 6, which that's 3, 6, they add the 5 of 6, but in a tritone substitution. So right there, going to that flat 9 chord, and then the 2, nice consonant 2, to that crunchy 13 again, the dominant 13 flat 9, maybe a tritone sub. And always end on a sharp 11. Always, always. Because it's jazz. All right, well, I hope that helped you guys learn how Christmas Time Is Here is put together. It's a beautiful Christmas tune. And if you like the video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe, because we got a lot more of these Charlie Brown tracks coming down the pipe. I'm going to hit every single one I know and try and tell you everything I know about them. Also, I've included some goodies linked below in the video description, so feel free to click the link in the description and get some surprise treats I've put for you there. Santa's got you this year, don't